Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Slide open the fuel door so that you can remove these 4 push pins with a push pin removal tool. Open your glove box so that you can remove these 4 push pins. Carefully remove the side fairing panel on each side of the bike. Remove the 2 push pins located here. Slide off the fuel door, then pull up on the tank cover just enough to release the mounting clips. Add a dab of dielectric grease to both connectors on the immobilizer harness. Carefully lift up on the tank cover so that you can unplug the factory fuel pump connector. Plug the connectors on the immobilizer harness into each corresponding connector on the bike. Now it's time to test the immobilizer functionality. Test number 1 is to make sure that the system is armed. Turn on the ignition and try to start the engine. The bike should not start. Test number 2 is to unlock the immobilizer with the key fob. You'll need to do this before each ride. Turn on the ignition, then press the unlock button on the paired key fob that came with the immobilizer. The bike should now start. Test number 3 is to simulate a remote intercept. With the engine running, press the lock button on the paired key fob to ensure that the engine sputters out. If all 3 tests are successful, extend the antenna on your RF receiver and zip tie the immobilizer underneath the tank cover. Then reinstall your body panels in reverse order.